Hello everybody, welcome back to another Aerofly FS video. Today we're going to be flying the 787-800 Alaska Airlines from Lisbon to Madeira. I know Alaska Airlines isn't really ideal for this, but I decided to try it with the 737. So anyway, we're going to start up the plane, and I don't think it's going to be a smooth landing, but I think it's not going to be a good mid-flight anyway. But make sure to like and subscribe, and we're going to start up the plane now, and I'll see you soon. Okay, so we're now in the cockpit. Let's start up this aircraft, 737-800. So we're going to go up to the... I forgot to start. Oh yeah, DC. Then we're going to go to the exterior lights on, ground power unit on, and then we're going to do all these. So battery on, turn off the fuel pumps, okay, seatbelts on. Leave them for a sec. Put these on there. Alright, looking good. We can now... Oh yeah, we can do the nav. And then we're going to start the APU. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now that the APU has started up, we can turn on these. Oh no, turn it off, sorry. Wait a sec. There we go. Okay, so let's check the flaps all the way down. Okay, now I'm going to go back up here to 10, I believe. Okay, so if you don't want to go to the wing view, you can see that little circle thing there. It tells you what degree the flaps are. So, should go to... Oh no, did I do it to... Did it to 2. I think it's supposed to be to 5. Yeah, it should work. Okay. So we're all doing good. Okay, that's fine. Got to test this down there. Okay, nice one, nice one, nice one. I think... So we got to plan our route here. Don't know why that map's not showing up. Did I do them both? Right. I don't know why it's not showing up. I'll be back in a sec, guys. I'm just restarting this plane. Okay, so I've now fixed the issue. I'm not quite sure it was. I'm just pressing the buttons that I remembered from when I flew the Ryanair 737 on my video. But anyways, we can now go for pushback. So let's attach the tug here. And now we're gonna start the pushback. So I'm gonna do like behind the scenes here. Not really, because if you play it, you'll know what I mean. But so you see the throttle here. You just go up for the pushback. Okay, right side looks good. We can now start up engine 1. So let's do that. Okay, so detach the tug, and now we can go to flip that one up. Okay, so now we can start engine 2. Wait, did I go the wrong way? Yeah. Just let that start up for a sec. So we're now gonna do idle. Okay, so we're looking good with the engines. So we'll continue. Okay, nice, nice. I think all good. I don't know if we have to do anything else. Let's just set this heading. Oh, wrong one. Oh, why is it not working? There we go. So we're gonna take off from that runway, so yeah, it should be fine. I'll plan it once we get on the runway. So we're gonna have 225. I'll let autopilot sort us out, but once we took off, then I'm gonna plan it, because then I can see it easier. But that's fine. So let's disengage parking brake, and then let's taxi to our runway, which is over here, I believe. Nice, nice. Screen didn't work. There we go. Whoa. The runway's over here. Yeah. Don't know where that taxi line just went. Oh, we turned on our taxi lights. Whoopsies. Oh no, I think they were on. Which is completely fine. I think this is our runway here. Let's just slow down a sec. Make sure the runway's clear because there's literally no ATC. Runway looks fine. Okay, so we're going to go for a rolling takeoff here. So let's just make sure we get a line. So 11%, so we'll keep moving. There we go. Take off. Perfect, keep moving right there. And left to time it. There we go, perfect, perfect. Positive rate, gear up. Don't want to climb too steep there. Okay, so we're going to turn left in a second. To get more speed. It's a bit windy. Okay, let's go flaps up, then we can turn. Okay, let's turn. Let's set auto thrust. Do that. Okay, so this looks fine. I haven't done anything else. Let's just turn it here. Look at that. So we're just gonna get straight, then we'll see the replay of that takeoff. Look at them clouds. Looking beautiful. What? Okay, so we're just gonna turn for a little bit here. Is that a runway? Where's the runway? That's just let's just level out first before we start talking about the runway. Going down, dropping. That's very good. Auto thrust is not doing its job. Let's just do autopilot a sec. Right, let's get that replay. runway, so as you can see by the takeoff there, was pretty good takeoff. Bit windy once we started putting up a little bit more on gaining height, getting altitude. But now we're on a straight flight path over the sea to Madeira. Gonna go above the clouds here and descend in about 20 minutes, I'd say, 25 minutes. So we're just gonna, I'm not gonna say seatbelts off now, I'm just gonna put them on auto so we can get the passenger stretch their leg before possibly a 15-minute delayed landing, because we're gonna probably do go around. But if we're not gonna go around, I'm gonna be pretty impressed, okay? I'll say that, I'm just gonna say that. I'll be impressed, I'll be well impressed, and so will the passengers probably in that. But yeah, that was an alright takeoff. But yeah, look, we're going out into the sea. I can't wait till they add like ground crew and air traffic control, because that's going to be so good. So let's look at our flight planner. Nice. So we're going to land on the other side of the runway. I think it's runway 23. Yeah, runway 23 to. Yeah, 23. And then, yeah, hopefully we land first time. But if we don't, I might change runways. Actually, no, we'll try 2 attempts. If we don't do 2 attempts for the last attempt, I'm going to land on the other runway, because you get 3 attempts. But hopefully we don't get diverted to another airport, which is going to be pretty weird. But we're not going to. I'll try to get it first time. Started? Yeah, the clock was already started. So 300 knots, 29,000 feet. I don't know if that's too high or not. That's right. Put this down. Give us some space. And yeah, I'm not going to talk. I'll let you guys enjoy the views. And I'll see one more approach.
They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. Oh, I got so high, oh, I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Eh, eh. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Eh, eh. Telling me you feel fine. Never leave, never leave, never leave, never leave, never leave in your side. Wanna keep you in my life, don't need to move. Whenever you here, I feel like I can't lose. Baby, I wanna ride with you, I got so high, oh, I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. Feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. Oh, I got so high, oh, I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Telling me you feel fine. Never leave, never leave, never leave, never leave, never leave in your side. Wanna keep you in my life, don't need to move. Whenever you here, I feel like I can't lose. Baby, I wanna ride with you, I got so high, oh, I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind.
39 minutes. Let's see where we are. See what position we're at. There's a plane behind us. There's planes behind us. Oh no. Oh, there we go. There's planes behind us. Okay, so our approach. Oh, wait. I'm going to look at my approach. So, let's look at our approaches. Yeah, so this is the approaches that most pilots do, except like, no, what is that? We're just going to do direct. Porto Senso. I went there. So we're just going to do direct. So we're just going to keep flying for a little bit. There's planes behind us, apparently. Yeah, look, up there. Up where that white trail is and that one behind there. But yeah, I'm going to leave you guys to it for a little bit. And then I'll see you guys once we are descending and on approach. I'll leave you guys in the cockpit view, so you can see the map and the speed and all that. I'll zoom out a little bit so you can see outside. Nice old sunset. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon. everybody, we are now descending to 1,200 feet and 210 knots. The speed brakes have been on, so I think they're down. Let's just check. Yep, they're up, I'm sorry. So that was a pretty plain flight. But now let's see what the landing's going to be like, because I'm not quite sure. Yeah, so you guys want to be below the clouds. Now going inside the clouds, it looks like. Porto Santo is just right there. I've actually been there last year, I think. Porto Santo. So the runway there, pretty busy. But Madeira is just in front of us. The visibility is quite low. But it's supposed to be windy when we land, because I've just checked the map and it says the thing where like it shows where the clouds are and heavy rain and stuff. It says there's loads of wind here, as you can see by now. But yeah, we're now gonna descend. Let's see what our height is. 10,000 feet. Oh wow! Seems when we go like down in the clouds, it seems that it's getting worse. But I'm gonna ask the cabin crew to prepare the cabin for landing. It's going to be a windy one. Where's the button? Oh, okay. Cabin crew, please prepare the cabin for arrival, and please, after you've done that, please take your seats for landing. Thank you. Okay, so we can now have an announcement for the passengers. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking from the flight deck. We are now descending to Madeira Airport. We are now just currently flying over Porto Santo, but the weather today is cloudy, but it's really windy, so we're going to try to get a smooth landing and hopefully not cause any more delay than we have to. We'll be landing in about 20 minutes, 15 minutes or so. So yeah, thanks for flying with Alaska Airlines, and I'll see you once we have landed, hopefully. Okay, I said hopefully, not because it's not gonna crash. I said hopefully because you know, hopefully you don't have go around. Oh, plane. Blooming, that was windy. Yeah, if we got our landing lights on, yeah, we should, because we're below 10,000 feet. So yeah, we're climbing down pretty rapidly here. Okay, so as you can see here, we're like, earlier we were dropping speed, like, so we'll go to like 210, then we'll drop to like 200 really quickly. But now, I think because we're in the cloud, it's a bit in the middle of, we're really windy and smooth, but I can't really say it's smooth because, as you can see, it's pretty shaky. But it's a lovely sunset. Lovely sunset. So the cabin, the flight deck looks good. The flight deck, which is like all of this, everything looks good so far. Autopilot is just bringing us down. Nice. Can we go flaps? Oh yeah. It said we can do flaps, but that's land. Okay, so it's bringing us into a better approach for landing. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking from the flight deck. don't worry, that was not caused by the weather. Autopilot's just bringing us in for a smoother approach and to get us perfectly aligned with the runway, so then we can hopefully touch down first time. Experienced pilot in this. Ooh. Oh yeah, I forgot. We're landing straight ahead, so the runway is straight ahead. Okay, it needs to bring us down quickly though. Flaps. Trim's going down. Actually never experienced anything like this. Can we slow down a little bit, please? Or, oh yeah, because if we slow down too much, we'll probably stall or something. What height are we? Oh my gosh. Can't even see anything. We're not going to go gear down just yet. Where that next waypoint is, we will, because the speed will drop. Looking in the co-pilot section, yeah, you can see the runway right there. So we'll go gear down in a couple of minutes or so. Yeah, pilot should see it. Yeah, there we go. Runway's in sight. Oh, did I just disconnect? Nothing. Nice. Whoa, 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 what's happening? I did something bad, I think. Yeah, it's fine. Sixth. Okay, so we're gonna go gear down. Should we go gear down? Yeah, we should. I'm just gonna let autopilot bring us in. Then I have to take control. There is a setting where autopilot can land for you, but I don't want to do that. I want to challenge myself. This is bad, you know. Jeez. So let's bring this. So this is the tower view. Wow. Look at that crosswind. Oh my gosh. That's bad. Oh, look, if you see where that British Airways is, and if you keep looking straight, it's really realistic. It's like built on, what's it called? Built on, oh, I forgot what it's called. Built on like sort of pillars. Yeah, I know it brings in a little bit more. I know we shouldn't probably really land on this side of the runway because normally they land on the other side, but it's fine. Jeez. There's the sea right next to us there. Jeez, I'm gonna have to handle this. Ooh. Okay, got it looking. Okay, I'm gonna have control. Oh my goodness.
500.
Okay, it may not look bad when I take control, but... Oh, wow.
400.
Oh my gosh. The crosswind is crazy.
300. Plus
Wait, we might actually do it first time.
Minimums. 50. 40. 30.
Whoa!
10.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I know it probably wasn't necessary, but it did not listen to what I was trying to do. I was trying to pull up so we wouldn't slam it, but in the end we actually did slam it. Whew. Don't want to climb too high. Yeah. Yes, I know. Can we get a replay on that? Blimey now.
Tell me, baby, do you want it?
Expecting a smooth landing, but that was dangerous. I was putting up and it kept going down. I think it's because they cut the engines. But let's loop around and try again. I'll see you guys in a sec while we're on the long final. Okay, so we're on long final, and I've just put autopilot on, and I swear it's got a little bit worse. I haven't touched anything. I literally just looped around. I swear I didn't touch anything.
Terrain.
Yes, I know. Just test this real quick. Never mind. Wow, this is actually dangerous, you know. I don't care what the landing's going to be like now. I just don't want to slam it. I'm just going to try to properly land. I'm just not going to slam it. Yes, take control.
500.
Whoa, bit too low.
400.
Whoa.
300. 100. The minimums. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Oh, that's fine. Let's just turn off here. Oh, that went bad. Let's look at the replay, but let's just welcome the passengers and say sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking from the flight deck. Sorry for the delay, but we have got down the second time. Welcome to Madeira Airport. Try to enjoy this visit as much as possible. The weather should clear up about tomorrow. And make sure to like and subscribe, guys. And some people on board haven't, sadly, but hopefully they do after this video. And if you watched to this part and you haven't subscribed, then obviously you enjoyed it. So please subscribe. And we're going to do the return flight later. So please do come along to watch that. My name's Taylor, also your pilot for today. Welcome to Madeira Airport, and thanks for flying with Alaska Airlines. Nice. Right, let's look at that replay.
Tell me, baby, do you want it? 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 Tell me, baby, do you want it? 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 Baby, do you want it?
So I would say it's not as hard as I thought it would have been, but obviously not the greatest landing. But our gate is coming up. But yeah, hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. We're just gonna go into this gate here. Ooh. Lisbon to Madeira. I think I just... I can't see. Don't worry, I'm not that bad. Lisbon to Madeira. We're going to do the return flight back to Lisbon in the next video. Parking brake on. All that's on. Let's shut off engine 1. And engine 2. Okay, that's going to be it. So, seatbelts off, ground power on, APU on. Okay, nice one. Okay everybody, that's it for today's video. My name's Taylor, and stay tuned for more epic content coming up in my channel. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.